Here with my 4runner Sport 4-wheel drive, the 2000. Gonna take this thing in low 4 up through the snow and show you how good it works. Really enjoyable. It's awesome. Love this thing. It handles the snow like a beast. Got new tires on it. It's good stuff. 4-wheel drive works amazing. You're going. Here we go. Here we go through the snow. The gearing ratio on this one when you're in low 4 is way different. Usually you're in first gear up till 10 miles an hour. When you're in low 4 though, 4-wheel drive, you can be in third gear at 10 miles an hour. So especially going through terrain like this, it's really fun. This thing handles awesome, especially with the new tires. Just loving it. This is where this truck belongs, out here in the off-road wilderness. Beautiful snow, whatever it is. Snow, dirt, water. 4runners can do it. There's no slip in the traction whatsoever. I mean, it's completely gripping the road perfectly. Like I say, you just got the lower gearing ratio for being in low 4. And you can see I've engaged the 4-wheel drive with the little green buttons on there. And I am in third gear, and you can see I'm not even at like 10 miles an hour or so. Barely 10 miles an hour. "15 mile an hour sign? Interesting. Interesting. It's perfect. Going up the hill, just grabs it. Grabs that snow, shoves it out the other side. Now this is Holcomb Valley up in Big Bear, and this is one of my favorite places to come for off-road at any time. Sorry for the video, a bit shaky, but then, you know, then again, what can you do? We are off-road. But it's definitely one of the better places to come if you're ever going to go off-roading. It's a perfect place for it. Fourth gear at not even 20 miles an hour. Usually fourth gear I'm about 50, 55 at least. But wait a second, there's no pavement. It's awesome out here. This is a beautiful territory. It's an off-roader's dream. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Yeah. Snowpack's a little heavier over here in this area. Handling this heavy snow like nothing. Yeah, romping it. Awesome, and we're back to kind of flat snow, easy terrain. So probably end up the video right here with this snowman on our right hand side. Hello, snowman. And that'll be it for this one. Have a good one, guys.